For today's easy recipe, we'll be making these fudgy and delicious peanut butter brownies. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Whisk this until it's well combined. In a large bowl, combine 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of butter that is melted and cooled slightly, along with 1 cup of white sugar. I'm going to whisk this for about a minute or so until everything comes together. Now we'll add in 2 large eggs and continue whisking for about another minute. You could also use a hand or stand mixer for this. Now we can add in our dry ingredients as well as 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips. You could also use the regular size. I just find there's a more even distribution of chocolate if you use the minis. Stir this with your spatula until it just comes together. Make sure that you don't overmix it. I have lined an 8x8 pan with parchment paper. This step is optional, but I do find it's a lot easier to get the brownies out if you use the parchment. And if not using the parchment, make sure to grease your pan. I'm going to pour my brownie batter in and just smooth it out with the spatula, making sure that I get it into all of the corners. Now I'm going to drop little spoonfuls of peanut butter onto the top, and this is 1/4 cup. Using a spatula or a skewer, you're just going to want to swirl this into the top of your brownies, ensuring that you get some of the peanut butter into each section. And as always, the full recipe and all of these instructions can also be found down in the description box below, so make sure to check that out as well. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. And these brownies are going to bake for 18 to 22 minutes. When they come out, you'll have to let them cool down to room temperature in the pan, and then we can remove them and peel off the parchment paper. Now they are ready to slice and eat. These brownies have an amazing texture. If you have enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. And if you make these, let me know down below how they turn out. I love hearing from you. Thanks so much for watching.